Piece by piece, I lock the freezing metal plates together. Like Lego for grown-ups, but much more dangerous. Each clink of steel brings relief. The frame slides in, the chimney rises tall. With the stove, there will be fire. With fire, there will be warmth, food, and life. Next, I set up my bed. A simple frame, but tricky. One wrong move and it folds like a broken chair. When it's steady, I roll out my bright orange sleeping bag, glowing like a pumpkin in the middle of the snow. Outside, the storm rages. Inside, I now have a nest waiting. Darkness falls. The air sharpens with cold. I strike a match. A tiny flame catches dry wood, crackling to life. The sound is pure music. From the outside, my tent glows golden, a warm beacon hidden in a world of white. After a day of hauling gear and fighting snow, my stomach growls for something more than rations.